Common colors of animals. Blue. What animals can be blue? A blue parrot. A blue fish. A blue dragonfly. A blue jellyfish. Yellow. A yellow duckling. A yellow fish. A yellow butterfly. A yellow chick. Red. What animals can be red? A red flamingo. A red ladybug. A red jellyfish. A red parrot. White. Let's look at white animals. A white wolf. A white cat. A white owl. A white dog. Gray. A gray monkey. A gray koala. A gray lemur. A gray kangaroo. Green. A snake can be green. A green grasshopper. A green frog. A green iguana. And brown. A brown dog. A brown horse. A brown beetle. And a brown bear. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and watch other educational videos.